The Basement Watchdog.
Today I'm going to show you how to cut and glue PVC pipe for sump pump installations. Cutting and gluing PVC is easy, but it does require a few things: a hacksaw or pipe cutter, sandpaper, primer, and PVC cement. Now let's get started. Measure your PVC pipe to the correct length for the job. Be sure to mark it with a pen or marker. Prop the pipe up on something sturdy so you can cut through it easily and safely. When you saw or cut through the pipe, you will need to make sure the pipe stays level. Otherwise, your cut may not be straight. Remember, the straighter the cut, the better the fit. Clean the edges of the pipe from the inside and outside using fine sandpaper or an emery cloth. Just need to get rid of any sharp edges or burrs. Now it's time to attach the pipe to the connector. Make sure you use PVC primer, as it does a few things for you. 1. The color of the primer makes it easy for an inspector to spot. 2. It softens the surface of the PVC so that the cement can penetrate deeper for a stronger joint and leak-free connection. Our next step is to prime. The primer will evaporate quickly. You will need to cement immediately after the primer is applied for a proper chemical weld of the joint. Be sure not to spill the primer, as it will stain skin, carpet, and your clothes. Prime the outside of the pipe and the inside of the connector by swabbing it with the primer applicator. Next, swab the cement over the primer on the outside of the pipe and the inside of the connector. Fit the connector onto the pipe. You will need to firmly hold them together for about 20 to 25 seconds. Do not let go until the cement has bonded the two pieces together. And that's all there is to it. If you have any additional questions, please email us or contact us at
The Basement Watchdog, watching out for you. Visit us at basementwatchdog.com to learn more.